Daisy Brooke, and so today I'm here with
My cousin Maddie.
my cousin Maddie, not hers. And then I'm also joined with Lexi. So today, okay, my sister, whatever, yeah, my little sister Lexi. And then we've literally just got back from Chelmsford, and we got these squishies. So Isabel, my other cousin, she did actually get a squishy, but I think she's keeping it because she just fell forwards on the chair. But the chair fell backwards, but she was on the tummy, so she fell forwards. But yeah, so that sort of happened. So yeah, so I'm going to be reviewing my squishy first, then then Lexi, then Maddie, because Maddie wants to do hers left. Left. Okay, so the 4 things we're going to rate them on are cuteness, scent, slow risingness, and softness. Okay, all out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay, so I'm going to review mine first, so I haven't squished it in packaging or out of packaging. So it came in this little plastic bag. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is smelling it.
She hasn't squished it yet.
I've only squished it in packaging. I haven't squished it out. Okay, so I'm going to smell it first. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So, oh, that smells so good. Smell it.
It smells like marshmallows.
Okay, so the scent for me will be 9 out of 10. The only thing that's bad about it is it's really weird. It smells like a marshmallow, but it doesn't smell like a marshmallow. It smells like...
That was the first thing that had come to my head.
Look,
if you actually had a marshmallow and you smelled it, it wouldn't smell like
it
that.
It smells like really sweet. So,
Only a little bit of marshmallow.
So the second thing I'm going to be doing is taking it out and seeing the softness. Gee whiz! But this part's a little bit rough. Feel that can burn to that.
Oh, yeah.
But I think that's because it's the paintwork. And Isabel's going back outside. She's probably going to crack right open again. Okay. So the softness, I would rate definitely a 10 out of 10. Wait, no, I would rate it a 9 because this part's a little bit... Hi, babies. She's got the little garden gnomes out the pants. Okay, so yeah. Sorry guys, I didn't know angle. So yeah, so now I'm going to be the reason I rate it 9 out of 10 is because this is so soft. But this is pretty hard. Isabel, no. No, babies. She's trying to smash the window open. How interesting. The next thing is going to be the slow risingness.
Wouldn't it be the softness? Oh, have you
I've just done that.
do the cuteness then.
Okay, so the cuteness, I would probably rate it.
Oh.
No, she did it better.
So funny. Say hello.
Hi.
Hi. Where's your squishy? Go get your squishy. I'll squish it. Squishy! Where's your squishy? Go get your squishy off, Mummy. Or not. Okay.
I'll come.
So, I'm going to rate... Cuteness, I'll rate about 5 out of 10. Because, if it had eyes, that would make it even better. But it doesn't really have it. I'll squish it. No. Oh, bad bad. She wants to keep on taking all of our squishies away, but we just...
She
I've let...
won't take hers, but she's trying to take Brooks.
She's trying to take...
Hold it for a bit then.
I did, I let her squish it, but she just I'm trying to make a video with it, but she keeps on... I'll let you have it after, okay?
Yeah, come here, darling. Come and see Mummy. Come on.
Okay, so, now it says... okay, I rated the cuteness 5. Okay, so there's slow risingness. Ready? It's really soft. Okay, that's so rising. Look at that. 10 hours later, that's so squishy. Look, it's really so rising. Okay, so the first 10 of the night goes to these.
Can I squish it?
The slow risingness. Do you want to go let Isabel have it now?
Yeah.
No, give me! Maddie!
Have you brought your lunchbox with you?
Oh, thanks.
Okay.
So next is Lexi Squishy. Lexi,
Lexi, do your squishy.
This is my squishy. This is my
It's a little
squishy.
Galaxy Panda. Should we take it out?
Hers isn't in a plastic bag. Okay, so Lexi's
Take
first
it
one is also
out.
going to smell. So smell yours, Lex.
There
Smell
it
it.
is.
Let's do the softness first. How does it feel like?
Cuteness. How cute is it?
Out of 10.
9.
9, okay. What do you think could be added to it to make it even more cute?
Because there's stars on it.
So you want them to take the stars off? Or do you want to keep them on?
Keep them on.
Okay, so how soft is it out of 10? What's the softness of it?
Look how smooth it is. Like, do this. How smooth is it?
Little bit hard.
So how would you rate it out of 10?
That'd be a 5 out of 10.
Okay.
Okay,
So now
and
it's this, what is the next one? Scent. Smell it. How does it smell?
Mm.
It smells like dirt.
Mhm.
Smells like dirt. Okay, so how much would you rate it out of 10? 8. Okay. So now the squishiness. How many is it slow rising or not? Straight to the camera. Is it slow rising or is it fast rising? Oh, can I squish it? I'd say that's
I
pretty slow
really like
rising.
the Galaxy.
Like the stars are to do with galaxy, okay? Okay. So what would you rate the slow risingness? Like, do you know when you squish it and it comes back up, how slow rising is it out of 10? Like, look at it, quick look. How slow rising is it out of 10?
I know.
9? Okay. So would it be a little bit more slow rising? Or is it okay?
It's okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, is it my turn?
There you go. Let's go sit back up.
Okay.
I'll really want to squish yours. Sorry, my dear.
So, my one,
Let's get over here.
it is, I think it's a cat, but it has a fish, like a dead fish.
Can't play them.
So I'm just going to take it out as a,
I would have thought if there was a fox here, you would have got a fox.
yeah, I would have.
But I don't think
And it
there's a
smells straight up like soap. I'm going to squish it in the bag. Okay.
fox. I think there's a bug up mine.
It smells so much like soap. Smell it.
That smells like lemony so.
Mm.
Okay, I'm going to go get my squishy back. You review yours.
Yeah, it's so cute. It's so cute.
I'm going to review Isabel's. Let me feel it. Has it soft? Can I see
I
how
haven't
soft it is?
squished it yet.
Can you
So,
feel how soft it is at least? That's soft. That's how,
So
mine's
this
a little bit
is-
softer though, isn't it? Only a little bit.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is a cat with a fish, a dead
Dead
fish.
fish.
And it's really, really soft.
I'm going to review Isabel's, okay?
Okay. Really super soft. I'll rate it a 10 out of 10 on cuteness, a 9 out of 10 on scent. I'm going to rate it a 7.5 out of 10 on softness. And then last but not least, I'm going to do slow risingness.
Can I squish it after you? What? I can actually sit on mine.
10 out of 10 on slow risingness.
Can I squish it?
1 minute, let rise.
Mine's just chilly on the sea. Can I squish it? It smells so much like soap.
Can I? Oh, you start on yours.
I'm fine, don't be scared.
This is it when Brooke sits on it. Oh, she's gone crazy about crying.
It's like really low. Wait, yours is pretty dense.
No, it's not. Mine's soft. Yours
Does
smells.
dense mean it's not soft?
Yeah.
Okay. Yours is really not dense at all. Now I just know what it means, it's not dense. I'd actually rate, on the slow risingness from Maddie's, I'd actually rate like a 9. It's like really...
I actually love this.
Okay, so I'm going to now rate... Do you want to swap? Joking. Okay, I'm going to rate...
I don't want to swap. Actually, I would, but
You don't want to?
yeah, I do want to. But
Why don't you swap then?
do you want to swap?
I don't know. It depends. Okay,
Right,
so-
I'm gonna take a picture and send it to someone. I'm gonna say which is cuter.
But this is still mine. It depends if we're going to swap, I don't know. Okay, so this is Isabel's.
Wait, if we swap, then that's mine and that's yours.
I don't know. Depends if we're going to swap it, yeah. Okay, so this is Isabel's squishy. She can't really review because she can't talk. She's got blah, 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 blah. Hang on. Maddie's
I'm just going to take a picture.
Hold on.
Wait, no, I want it to look. Wait, I'm going to do it this way.
Hold on. Okay, so this is Isabel's squishy. It's a little ice cream cone. So, I'm going to rate it. On scent, sounds like a melon. So, probably going to rate it like...
I'll post it on Instagram, see who replies. I really like yours.
I don't really know if I do want to swap though. So I do like yours, but like, I don't know.
I don't think you will swap because yours is bigger than mine.
Yeah. Oh, who's the hell? Stephen Priest! So yeah, this is Isabel's. I'm not going to rate it at all, but this is Isabel's squishy. Ice cream cone. Okay, so I really, really, really hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to do in my next video. Goodbye.